Hey dolls! So I'm back with another wig, boo. I love this wig, y'all. I love this wig. There has not been one time that I have worn this wig out and not got a compliment. And let me tell y'all, most of the compliments come from guys, which guys usually don't like crazy colored hair and stuff like that. They like more simple, not so much makeup. But the guys, they love this wig. And not just the black guys, honey. All races, okay? They've been... Do you hear me? They've been loving this wig. This wig is from UniWigs. You dolls have been asking me where it is from. I think I tagged it on my pictures on Instagram though. But this is the box. I love this wig. Y'all, I know I'm going to say that so many times in this video, but I really love this wig. Like, this is me. Like, I could wear this hair for life. Well, not for life, because it doesn't match all my clothes. That's the hardest thing with this hair. Like, clothes, because you can't wear everything. You can wear a lot of stuff, but it will kind of clash with certain items. So inside of the box, this is how it comes. It comes wrapped up, and on here it says, once the lace is cut, this product is not eligible for any exchanges or returns. Thank you for your support. So whenever you get it, if you don't like the wig, when you try it on, do not cut the lace so that you can exchange it. It did come with this inside of the wig, and then it had like this little net over it. You also do get a brush in the box, which I have not used for this hair to get it nice and sleek and straight. Most of the time I will use like a rat tail comb. You do also get some wig combs and clips in here, which is really nice. You get both. So yeah, and it's also a little scented lavender pack. So yeah, it smells like lavender, and I guess you could just keep that with your wig, you know, to make your wig smell fresh at all times. And you also do get an elastic band in here. This is like a very thin one. I like to use the thicker one, so that's what I have on my wig. You do also get 2 wig caps. I like that they give you so much stuff, like you get multiples. So you have a netted wig cap in nude, and you also have one in black. These are good for just keeping your hair up out of the way. I just have my hair in 2 braids. That's how I do my hair myself whenever I'm not getting it braided by someone, because I don't have time to be sitting there doing all them braids. And then you also have this little thing in here as well that has some of the info about the wig. So on the inside it has the care instructions, and then on the back it gives you the style name and all of that. So on here it says CL 0432, and then the hair color is a T. It says T1B, but I'm guessing it will be 1B, and then pink. It just says pink, and then this is 180 density, and then it says M24GL. I don't know what that means, but yeah. This is this hair, and y'all, I love this hair so much. I love the color of it. Whenever I picked this wig on the website, it looked a little bit different on some of the different people that were posted on there. So I figured the pink color can vary sometimes, and you may get a darker pink or a lighter pink. But this is the pink that I got, and I love it. This hair is human hair. It's not synthetic. I flat ironed this hair. This is the only way that I have worn it so far. It's in a nice sleek middle part, straight down. This definitely gives me Nicki vibes whenever I went to the mall with this wig, because I wore this around the holiday season. So I was out Christmas shopping and stuff with this wig when there was so many people at the mall. A lot of kids were coming up to me, and people who were older, of course. But a lot of people were saying stuff like Nicki Minaj, Cardi B. I don't know if I've ever seen Cardi B wear a pink wig before. She may have. I could be wrong, but it definitely gives me more of Nicki vibes. But a lot of kids were coming up like, hey Nicki, hey Cardi. Like, they were saying stuff like that at the mall. But I love this wig. I love it. And I love the color of it on the roots. It fades really nice. It's not like a harsh, you know, line there. I think it fades really good. This is how the wig falls. I'm gonna back up some. This is how the wig falls on me. This is how the wig falls. This is the back of it. Up close of the lace. I really didn't put any powder in my part or anything today. As you guys know, I've been doing a lot of wig videos today. And I just laid the baby hairs a little bit right here. Nothing major, really simple. I love this wig. It actually matches my phone case right now, which was not intentional. But I love this wig, y'all. I cannot say that enough. So I'm going to pull up my email just to make sure I read you guys all the info on this wig. I can't find the email right now, so I will link all the info down below. But I believe this is the correct information for this wig. As far as this wig goes, I do get some shedding with this wig. So I will have pink hairs like on my floor. But it's not anything super crazy. And like blonde hair drives me crazy when it sheds. Because I don't know if it's just because it's lighter and I could just see it all over the floor or whatever. But this hair doesn't bother me as much. And this hair is really, really silky and fine. Kind of like how my hair is if I flat iron it or whatever. Like it's thick enough, but it's not super thick. Like it doesn't look like I have in 5 bundles or anything like that. But it is a nice thickness of hair. If you guys can see, I think I put it all. So yeah, this is all of the hair to the front. And as you can see, it's still very fine. Very silky, but it's not too thick. And like I was saying, I wore this hair throughout the holiday season. I didn't really plan to, but I had got this wig in and I wanted to try it. And then I just fell in love with it that I ended up wearing it for Christmas and everything. Like, we had a pajama party and I wore it to that. I wasn't planning on doing that because my pajamas were red, but they did have some pink in it, and I found that it just still looked really cute even with the red, because I would think red and pink, you know, not really so much, but it still worked. And I just put on some slippers that had pink and red, and it just made it pop. Everyone was loving it, and I just love this wig. So you guys have been asking me so much about this wig, and you wanted to see it in a video and all of that. So here it is. Love this color. I really, really love the color. It's like a nice in-between pink. It's not too dark of like a hot pink. It's not too bubblegum. It's like right in the middle. It's like a nice baby Barbie pink type of color. I don't know why, but Uncle Warren thought it was orange. I don't know what's wrong with his eyes, but it's definitely pink. And everyone has always said pink except for Uncle Warren. So I don't know, y'all. But I love this hair. It's really silky. I just ran the flat iron through it. It straightens out really nice. I haven't really worn this hair in any other styles. I do want to try some other things with it. And I haven't put curls in it either. But it is really nice. The knots on this hair were kind of big. So I had a lot of work to do with plucking. But I think it turned out really good. And yeah, I like this hair. Up here at the top, I do have like a lot of flyaways that usually will be sticking up, but I did do a little bit of hairspray right there to hold those down into place. So yeah, if you get this wig, you're gonna love it. Just thank me. Just thank me now, because you're gonna love it. But yeah, I love this wig. If you guys have questions, leave them down below. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. And thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys.